At first, I have been using this broken USB cable from Xiaomi brand. You can use any one of them. By cutting the extra length of wire and carefully strip off all the PVC coating, I successfully opened the wire. And then it was time to remove all the rubber coating as well as the inner coating of the USB plug connector. Now you can clearly see the 4 pins coming out of it. Then I solder red wire to the 4th pin and black wire to the first pin of the USB plug connector. Secondly, I have been using this 3 to 5 volt DC motor for my project. As you can see on your screen, I solder both of the wires to the motor terminals just like this. Then I use some hot glue to stick the USB connector onto the motor's body. And little bit more hot glue to secure them. And next I have been using this cheap plastic fan which you can get from children's toy. Next I have been using this micro USB OTG connector to connect my USB fan to my phone. And here comes testing part, and it works like a charm. But then I suddenly noticed that my OTG fan pushes air backward side, whereas it should be push air to the upward side. As you can see in this diagram, if you connect motor wires like this, so motor can rotate anti-clockwise. And if you connect propeller fan to the motor, it sucks air from upward side and pushes it to the downward side. But if you connect your motor wires like this, so your motor will rotate clockwise. And thus it sucks air from downward side and pushes it to the upward side. So I carefully remove all the hot glue as well as shoulder joints and correctly soldered the wire to the motor and secured it with some hot glue. And now it is the time to test our USB fan, which should be work properly as we expect. And it works perfectly. It sucks air from downward side and pushes it to the upward side. So it was time to seal my USB fan. For that I have been using M-Seal to secure all the areas of motor as well as the USB. After one day of letting it dry, something looks like this. And it is the final time to test our USB fan. I am using this Samsung J2 device. You can use any Android phone. As you can see, there is no hidden batteries and nothing hides from you. And it works perfectly fine anytime you plugged in your phone. One more time. And it works like a charm. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, and if you are new here, then consider subscribing. Do let me know what do you think about this USB fan in comment section. And now it is time to use bigger fan and see what happens. And as you can see, it works perfectly and gives more air to the upward side. If you enjoy this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing for more updates. Stay creative and stay safe.